In this video, I'll share how to create custom products with a print-on-demand service and show you how to set up your own shop. I'll also give you some of my favorite tips and tricks for marketing your products on social media to help boost your reach and sales. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hit it! You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. We are on a Printify platform. Check out all the different types of merch they offer. From blankets to sweaters to mugs to t-shirts, pajama pants. Awesome stuff that you can make it your own and sell. Look at the catalog of all the different items they have. They have everything. Swimwear. Oh, come on now. They have everything. So I'm going to show you today how to make some merch and sell it on TikTok. This is so exciting, and I'm going to go step by step with you. Okay, so we're going to create and sell some merch right now. You have to sign up first. You must sign up right in that green button. Click on that. Leave your email and make a password. Please make a password that you can remember, okay? You can also go into Google. All right, once you do that, it will let you know it was successfully done. Okay, then you sign up, and if you had the green check and it says success, you did it correctly. Okay, so now you're all signed up. Press that green button, and then you get inside and you will see the catalog to the left-hand side. I'm going to be making a journal/notebook. I'm very excited. It's going to be a hustle journal, and I'm going to pick a spiral notebook. So I decided to pick a spiral notebook with the lines on it. It's pretty awesome. It has a beautiful front cover that I'm going to decorate, and you'll see it. You can put pretty much anything on it. And if you can't design, you don't have your own logo, you can start designing. If you don't have that, you know they have AI generated art. So you can also prompt that and make art through the AI. So I'm going to select my colors. I'm going to pick pink. Yes. And I'm going to take a design from my laptop, and I'm going to upload it from my device onto the notebook. Boom. Hustle with the $S. Now I'm going to change the color because I want it more vibrant. I'm going to use that popping pink right there. And then after that, I have to save my product. You see, I press save, then show you the mock-up. You can see it up close. So when you place it in the store, they can really see it in the shop. I like that color. I think that color pops. You can change the title. It doesn't have to say spiral notebook. No, I'm not doing that one. I'm going to call it the Inside Your Hustle notebook. So you can write all your hustling ideas in your journal. You can write your goals, how much you're making. You can write all that in your notebook. I changed the description. They give you a description, but I changed mine. So you can do that also. And then you have to work with pricing. That's your next. After descriptions, pricing. I changed it from $12 to $10. And it also, when you change it, it'll show you the profit margin, which mine will be 23%. So that's pretty awesome too. So now if I like the profit margin and I like the price, I'll keep it, and then I'll make sure it's visible. After that's done, I will publish it. Now, once you publish it, it goes into the Printify shop. Now it says the Hustle Journal, and that's the new place, new piece of merch I made. Okay, so now we're going to create a TikTok shop. And once you have your TikTok shop, you can connect it with your Printify shop. That's very important. If you're going to sell on TikTok, you have to connect the two. The first thing you do, you're going to have to log in. You see in the right-hand corner where it says login, you log in right there. Now you go to your Seller Center. So once you go into the Seller Center, you're going to see all the different regions. You have to click on your regions. I am North America. I'm a North American seller from the United States. So I click on that and I press enter. So once you establish where you're going to be selling, you can connect. If you're already a TikTok user, and I'm already a TikTok user, I'm connecting my TikTok account with the TikTok shop. I gave permission so they can have access to my TikTok account. Okay, so now once you do that, you press continue right there at the bottom. All right, so once you do that, you have to add your contact information, an email, and then they're going to send you a verification code. So once you have that, you can click right in so you can start selling. I'm in the US, so that's why you see that. Now, once you start that, you have to click on what type of business you're in. I'm individual. They have different ones. Sole proprietorship. I am individual, so I clicked on the first one. And once you click on what type of business you're going to be running, you press next. Okay? So now, after you press next, you could go right in and start showing your identification. You have to upload this. So you can upload state ID, such as a driver's license or U.S. passport. And now you're ready to verify your identification. Then after that's done, you go back to Printify. Now we're at Printify again. So now I'm going to connect my Printify to my new store, which is the TikTok shop. And you press on which one you're going to connect, which is going to be the TikTok. So after that, I will create my store. We got to come up with a name. So the name of my store on TikTok is going to be Inside Your Hustle. So, create your name. Make sure it's a nice, fun name that everybody can identify with, and I connect. Now, I have a TikTok shop account. So you collect that, you press that, and you connect. Once you connect that and you select that your seller shopping option on my TikTok shop, you press that, you connect that. Now it's connecting both. So now is some more steps. You have to register your business. We did that. You have to add your tax information. Please don't forget to do that. You cannot skip steps. Now you got to set up shipping and return warehouse information. Very important. All the dots must be green. So we're going to set up shipping. You see right there where it says get ready to sell. You have to make sure that button is lit up in green. That way you know that was done. So you got to put your contact information. So I am putting my name and putting my phone number. And this part is so important. I'm giving you like really good details because a lot of people, they didn't know this. You have to put the Printify address, not your address, the Printify address. You see the address there? You must place the Printify address on that line. It's in Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, 4005 Campus Drive. Okay, and that's in Texas, Fort Worth, Texas. Please do not put your personal address on that part. This is the shipping. Okay, now once you do that and you click the US, you want to sell all over the US. So once you click that, make sure all the states light up. Okay. Yes, you have to take your time. You see what I'm telling you? Make sure all your info is correct. After everything is correct, then you can press the submit button at the bottom. All right. And you see all the states that I'm going to be selling. Once that's done, I press submit. And you're going to go to add your products. Look at all the different ways they ship. UPS, FedEx, USPS. So all that information is next. Then you go to add your products. And now it's going to be North America seller. That's myself. So that's what came up. That window pops up. That's because I'm in North America. And then after that's done, you press next. Okay, now you are getting ready to sell. You're still in the seller center. Now you have to fill out some more information. Now you put it in your contact email information inside your hustle. You put your contact telephone number. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. You give permission to continue on to authorize this store. It takes a few minutes, not that long. Once it's done, boom, they're connecting now. Printify, your Printify shop with your TikTok shop. Okay, so now you're giving them permission to connect the two. It says congrats. That means they are connecting. Okay, so now we have our TikTok shop ready to go. And now you says you're connected your TikTok store to your Printify account. Everything has been connected. So now my merch that I created from my Printify shop can now be sold on my TikTok shop. Now this is exciting. I am so excited. You don't know. Okay, make sure everything you have has been verified. Registered your business, everything. So now you go to the left-hand corner in marketing. Please click on marketing. After you already added your product, you have to click on marketing. We're going to go to shipping fee discount. We're going to go right to the shipping fee discount. Please click on that. Okay. Once you click on that, you're going to create your shipping fee discount. I'm not charging a shipping fee to my customers. So I'm going to put free shipping as the promotional name. No one else will see it but yourself. So I'm just naming it free shipping so that way I know. Okay, so this is just some basic information. Once you name it, you're going to make sure, is it specific items or indefinite? I'm making sure it's indefinite. It's definitely going to be in an area where I sell, so it's in everything, not specific areas, in all areas. And there will be no criteria for my customers. They can spend as much or as little and they're still going to get some free shipping. Okay, and that is going to cover the entire shop. I'm not going to put it to specific items like, oh, only coffee cups get free shipping. No, my entire shop is going to be free shipping, but it's up to you if you want to, make it a little bit more specific. After you do all of that, press agree and publish. Now you took care of all the shipping requirements. So once that's done, you'll have the products. You go right to the products. So now you see the manage the products. You go back onto that. You make sure everything is correct before you finalize this. If you want, you can always edit in the right hand corner. I just circled it for you so you'll see where you can edit. And there's my product. If you need to update anything, you can. This is your chance to update on the TikTok shop. You can change any descriptions that you might have had on your Printify shop. Now you can update it. Over here you can make a video if you want. You can just have photos. It's up to you. So it depends on how you want to promote it. Okay, so I know videos do really well, so that's why I made those videos. So that's really big on TikTok. So now you have all your information. You like your shipping information. Everything is up to par. You like the price. It has all the information, the size of the journal, the name. If everything is up to par. So there's your product. And now you update. Boom. You are done. You can submit. Once you submit, your products are out. It's in the shop. It's ready to be sold. Now you just really got to just market yourself. Congratulations. You have created your shop. You connected the shops. You are ready. Now you want to just set up some great ads, which leads me to different ways. I'm going to tell you how to advertise. I'm telling you, you have to market on TikTok. And I'm going to tell you some ways how to market on TikTok. Now, there are at least 3 ways to market Printify POD on TikTok. First is to make regular TikTok videos featuring the products with a landing page and use popular TikTok songs and sounds to make them easier to find. In my case, I used the new Kendrick Lamar Not Like Us song as the backdrop for the journal I put together.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
I also did 2 more videos with some songs that were very popular on TikTok. Check them out.
A dollar might turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel. Be the last one not to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket-headed hoes. No way, hit the streets, then we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. I ain't never been the same, baby. Ain't do no wrong, I can treat 'em good for you.
Now the second way is TikTok shop ads. Just like Google ads and Facebook ads, you can pay to advertise with TikTok shop ads, which will give your brand and products more exposure than just posting it for free. Last but not least, number 3, hashtags. Hashtags help too. Try searching for hashtags like hashtag small business or hashtag entrepreneur to discover how other brands are creating content. Or try creating your own unique hashtag that highlights your product and promotes your brand. I hope you found my tips on using Printify to create your own merch helpful and that you're excited to start your own TikTok shop. Remember, with the right marketing strategies, you can really maximize your reach and boost your sales. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try Printify. I guarantee you won't regret it. It's an awesome side hustle. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.